went for a quick ride to fill up the motorcycle with gasoline, and that's what I see wheeling on the highway, freeway. I forgot what is the difference between freeway and highway, but yeah, I guess he has his bike set up for a wheelie, and he has the cage, and I'm sure he has the oil holder or whatever in the oil pan at the bottom. Oh, that's a new decoration for 4th of July. Nice. That stupid decided to stop in the middle of the road to change the road. Stupid. This is called stupid. I don't know, it's stupid. I mean, we can say it unexperienced. It's so the GoPro Hero 11 has better sensor for nighttime. So let's see how is this Hero 11 doing at nighttime or at sunset time. As you can see, I'm heading west on the Highway 26. And there is some wind gust speed up to 20 miles per hour this evening. Not that bad, but I can feel it. Oh, beautiful over there. So tonight, the sunset in Portland, Oregon, the sun wouldn't set until 9:01, yeah, I believe, 9:01. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4. There is 5 gas stations within a minute from my house, and I picked the the furthest one away. Interesting. So that's where I'm going right now. I'm going to fill up some gasoline from this Chevron gas station off Glencoe Road right there. I knew it's gonna be nice driving west. I don't usually drive at night too much, except in the morning when I'm heading to work. And early fall, late winter, early spring season, it's always dark when I'm leaving home, pitch dark. So it smells bad here. No, it smells more like I don't know what it is. It smells like fertilizer, maybe. Yeah, because there is a lot of farms around me here. So this is Glencoe. I still have 22 miles for the tank to be empty. So I bought those BMW shoes or boots, and they were game changer for me. They are called Knitlite sneakers from BMW. They are amazing. They have a sole ridiculous. So 4th of July, a lot of people are going camping. Look, they are packing and leaving. Some of them are leaving tonight, right after they get off work. It's a Friday, June 30th today. They all get paid and they are all heading out. Let's fill up this XR with a little bit of food. Let's see. Alright. Yep. Gasoline 480. Okay. Car wash? No car wash. I'm gonna take 87. I'll just fill it up with premium, just not today. Don't feel it. Okay, so we're gonna fill it up. I haven't planned where I'm gonna be riding tomorrow. I did Astoria last weekend. That was like 4.5 hours, little over 190 miles. I'm not sure where to go. I'm gonna either go to the Portland Car and Cafe or head to the BMW dealer and try out the R1250 GS. Alright, 3 miles, 3 gallons is enough to keep the bike a little bit light. You know what I mean. Alright. Okay. Alright, here we go. Come on, I just got you to work. There we go. Alright. Hey Cardo, music on. Perfect. Thank you, light. So this is the 4th of July weekend. We have kind of, because 4th of July is on Tuesday, a lot of people took Monday off, so they will have like Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, right? And then we get back to work on Wednesday. Even if the people who are working on Monday, the work is going to be slow. Everybody's still traveling. Nobody's going to travel, cut their vacation and come back, unless if they're, I don't know, it depends on their job. Oh wow, that logger over there is still working at this time. Wow. He's trying to do some extra hours so he can go to the casino. Haha. You want a quick view of the sunset? Look at the mirror. Let's see if the mirror is picking up the sunset. Yeah. See that? Next time I leave a little bit early, I will have like even better colors. Orange, pink, peach. So yeah, like I was saying about those, talking about those BMW Knitlite sneakers. I think they have an extra inch in their sole which made me be able to change my low profile seat of BMW to the standard seat, and I'm using today the standard seat because the standard seat makes the height from the seat to the floor to the ground about 33.1. My inseam is 32, so, and I'm trying this standard seat, of course, with the BMW boost, and I'm feeling very comfortable, very confident, instead of being tippy-toeing. And yeah, I'm gonna try it a little bit longer in town here at stop sign, but so far I tried it when I left home. Feels great. I can predict. Okay, I thought that was a police. Okay. Alright, let's slow down a little bit. Here we go. So if anybody's watching and would like me to ride somewhere, just leave it in the comment of in this video or any video. So just to let you know, I am from Portland, Oregon, right? So you figure out, check out Google Maps, see where it is at. You want to see some scenery, some waterfalls, let me know. I'll plan and hit the road and let you know when I'm gonna go. We have a lot of waterfalls here. Is that 185th? Yes.